welcome back to my channel. I'm Jordyn, and today I'm going to an event at my local justice, and I'm going to be the host, and I'm so excited. This is my lanyard. It's so cute. I put these stickers on it because I just had stickers laying around. I am so excited, so I'll see you guys there. Oh my gosh, I need to find one. Look at the towel. Pumpkin spice latte. You get it? Get it? So cute. These are so cute. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. I won't cover up any pie right here. Pancake, bake good man. Bake me a cake as fast as you can. So that was so much fun. I loved hosting it and seeing all the cool dances. But right now I am starving, so we're gonna go get some lunch, something to drink, and then I gotta get ready for my basketball game. Hey guys, so I got my drink, my McFlurry. It's so good. I was starving. We got McDonald's, of course. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. Do all that fun stuff, I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Love you.